Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Hope you all are doing good. And today my recipe is Lahori fish. The way I make Lahori fish, I'm going to share it with you. And for that I'm taking those 5 boneless fish fillet. This is tilapia fish. I already washed them with the cold water and then I kept it aside. And these are the spices I'm using. This is 1 pack of Lahori fish masala. You can use any packet, the one you like, and 2 pinches of ajwain, half spoon garam masala powder, half spoon red crushed pepper, 2 spoon dhania zira powder, 3 tablespoons of besan, the ground flour. I'm using besan because there's a lot of salt in the masala packet, so I'm using the besan to balance the salt. So this is enough besan for the 1 packet of masala. And I'm mixing all the dry ingredients like ajwain and the spices and the packet masala together. It's all your choice. If you want to use the packet masala, it's up to you. If you don't, then you can just add all your spices in the basin and that will be the same mixture. And I'll just mix it together and I'll keep it aside. And on the other hand, I'll just add oil into the pan and let it warm. I'm not deep frying it. I'm going to pan fry the fish. I think it's more than enough. You don't need to deep fry the fish. And then I'll take the fillet and apply all the dry mixture really well, like all over. And then I'll just fry them in the pan and let it cook for like 5 to 7 minutes. So after 5 to 7 minutes, I'm going to turn over the fish and make sure to do it very gently because it can break easily. And this fish does not take that long because it's tilapia, a boneless fillet, so it will be cooked like in 10 to 15 minutes. After turning the fish, just cover with the lid and let it cook for another 5 minutes. That's how the fish looks. Enjoy with your choice of sauce. I made this sweet and sour green sauce, the green chili sauce. So do let me know in the comments below if you want the recipe of the green sauce. That was really good with this fish. I hope you all like this recipe. If you have any question, do let me know by comments below, and thank you so very much for watching.